What's up, guys? It's Shannon from SP80. Show this. What's up, guys? It's Shannon from SP88. I'm fitting a dash cam to this Suzuki Wagon R. It's a really legendary car because of Gran Turismo. I know about it. I used to race with it back in the day. Let's just take that down. This is the Wagon R, guys. But in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how a fuse stack works. Because I've just blown the fuse and I thought it'd be a little idea to show you guys what happens. So this is a fuse tap. You can see I've got this one here plugged in at the back. This fuse tap just blew the wrong fuse, and I think it's down to a crap fuse. So I'm gonna demonstrate what I expect to happen. This is not what is supposed to happen, because if this happened, the fuse that was in there is now blown, because the fuse in the front is the fuse from the fuse box, and the fuse at the back is the fuse that should power the dash cam. So whatever this is blown, luckily on this car I've decided to fit it to the radio, so the radio wouldn't work now. I can't test it at the moment, but let me change this blown fuse. The blue is the 15 amp, and then I've got some proper 5 amp fuses back there, which is even smaller than 7.5 amp, and we'll try and blow it again and see what happens. I've put a new 15 amp fuse in that's not blown, and I've got a 5 amp at the back. Okay, so I'm going to plug it back in. To this position here. Right. And immediately you can hear the radio making some noises. And the dash cam just jumped into life. So let's try and blow the fuse again, like I did by accident. This insulation wasn't properly fitted. And you see, I've just blown the fuse. And the radio stopped working. So let's pull this out again and see what fuse has blown. So the 15 amp fuse is still intact. Is it? Let's plug it back in and see if it makes a noise.
Yeah, good. I'll sort of pop out and see how you're doing.
Good, man. I'm just making a quick demonstration of how a fuse tap works. So you see the 15 amp fuse didn't blow?
What, sorry?
Just making a quick video on how a fuse tap works.
Oh, okay, got you. Okay.
Alright, so the 5 amp fuse is blown.
Sorry, I'll let you crack on. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm getting a new fuse because you see this one here, it's blown. It's hard to tell, but it did blow. You just about turn the light off, you might see it. Let's see. You see that it's burnt a little bit. So let me put the new fuse in, plug this in, and you hear the dash cam jump back into life. So the radio and the dash cam. Wicked. Hopefully that demonstrates how it works. You gotta make sure there's no exposed wires like that, so that can't happen again. Just like and subscribe if you think this video was worthwhile, guys. Please. Respect.